action now. Set my charts up. We just have nothing but blood today. I don't have too many more levels either. Alright, cool. Had to make sure my picture settings was correct. Pretty soon, well, starting tomorrow, I'm going to start this small account challenge where I flip $500 and see what I end up with at the end of a month. So I'm going to be starting that soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned on the channel for that. I'm just opening up this NinjaTrader really quick. See what MES is looking like. I'm also going to start trading MES on my 50K accounts and ES on my 150K account, simply because going in drawdown, not even drawdown, but taking a losing trade, you know, on ES or NQ, it kind of messes up my risk to reward a little bit. And you know, I'm in the game to be the smartest, you know what I'm saying, the best loser, smartest loser. So I need to readjust my play. Wow, look at this daily. Let me take out some of these levels. Or did I find them on my weekly? I'm about to show you guys personally how I find my levels here. I'm just deleting all the old ones. Only thing I don't like about NinjaTrader is what you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So basically meaning if I set levels on one of my charts, it won't just, you know, populate. Okay. So we have a clear level I think price might be aiming for. Wrong tool. This level is super duper clear. So I'm gonna just mark that in there. I'm just finding my levels here on MES, getting ready for the day. This would have been a great entry off the 5 minute. Price just broke below the level. Let's see what it does. We don't really have any news this morning, so there's nothing, you know, too serious I need to be worrying about getting into. Let's look at QQQ and get this watch list started. So for QQQ, I'll be looking for either a break below this 424 with the retest to take it down into, wow, that's a $10 drop right there. Let me, yeah, I'll be looking for a breakdown. Technically, we've already retested this 427 pre-market, so that's a little bit invalidated for me after the break below. So I now look for a break below this 424.09, which is a part of the 61% fib that we have here, with a retest with decreasing volume from buyers, and increasing volume from sellers, signaling that, you know, we're holding this downtrend. And then I'd ideally like to go short to 420 for QQQ. I'm not really a fan of trying to even take any scalps on the long plays today. Even on bounces, it would have to be more of clear sentiment from buyers, such as a break above this 434 key level with a retest with increased pressure from buyers in volume. And for SPY, basically, let's see what I have here. Oh yeah, I need more SPY levels. Technically, it hasn't retested the way I'd like it to. So I think SPY might still be valid for this 515 retest, to take price at least until, wow, bigger we have bigger price ranges today, at least until 510. I gotta find this a key level under 510 just in case we blow through that, or, you know, we trail down, break through it, retest it, and break below. Um, I think today will be a fairly simple day. Um, I'm not necessarily looking to truly take anything, you know, extravagant or any big plays, simply because, give me 1 second. Simply because it's Monday, you know. Mondays and Fridays are the worst days in the market, simply because Monday the trending is setting up. People getting used to the markets again after the weekend, and Friday people are taking their profits. So Mondays and Fridays are usually the worst days to trade, which is why we need to be even more careful on Mondays and Fridays. Yeah, I think this 515 is invalidated now. So I'll definitely look for the plays under 512 with a retest maybe, or if we bounce around, I'll be looking for rejects. Um, if buyers were to come in, I'm just making scenarios up. If buyers were to come in at 512, retest 515 with decreasing volume, I would need, it would have to be invalidated, or else we could, the market could think we're a little bit overextended to the downside and try to come in and buy it up. In that case, I wouldn't want to take those rejects. So we just need to be careful. Today will be a tricky day. I'm pretty sure. Let's see what news we have. We don't have any real news today. ISM services, S&P, final U.S. services, PMI. Tuesday we have the U.S. trade deficit. Wednesday we have consumer credit. Thursday is when we probably will have some nice moves. Initial jobless claims. That's gonna really move the market. So just be ready for that. Friday, nothing much. We got some wholesale inventories again on Thursday. So do with that news as you will. But yeah, this price action right now is wild. Market is just melting. But let's look at some individual names. Holy smokes, hold on. Wow, the gap down on Nvidia. Alright, let's look at some Nvidia. Yeah, shorts are, man, whoever shorted this last week on Friday is in bread right now. Anyways, what I'll be looking for on Nvidia is a break below this $92 with a retest with increasing selling volume, telling me sellers want to take this down to at least $87.91. Again, I'm not looking for longs. The market is bleeding, so that would be kind of silly of me, even if it was a scalp. I'm not, that's unnecessary risk I do not need to take. Let's go to Apple. Damn. Apple gap down too. Holy smokes. Yeah, there's not much on Apple for me, unless we break below this 200 with a retest. But other than that, it's not much on Apple. AMD with a gap down. don't think there's much on AMD for me. Unless price will miraculously retest this to 125 again, but we've already basically retested that on our hourly, which holds a lot of weight there. So that might be dead for me until we get to this 116 level. Damn, Google. Everything gapped down. The whole market is red. I gotta make new levels. So as far as Google's concerned, we're in this sort of trend here. I'd like a pop up to this 160 area. Yep, to this 160 area, or at least to 159. Close to these highs on this previous 15-minute candle. Obviously with buying pressure decreasing and selling pressure increasing. So that's what I'll look for on Google. Let me set this alert. Tesla. I like Tesla below 187 for shorts. Hopefully, you know, first small price target would be that 181, but Tesla's a monster, so I'd look for the 168 pullback. And I'd probably go next day expiration. I wouldn't do same day. Simply because we have bigger targets. I will go next day with lighter size. SPY is just melting here, invalidating all of my pre-market plans. Lovely. I was just sharing in my group that my plans are being invalidated now. I'm just melting. Let me set alerts. This 512 still looks pretty good. But yeah, today you really just want to be safe trading. You don't want to just take anything, you know. Since we're clearly bearish, wait for price structure to form. You know, wait for a little minor pullback, you know, to get in properly for the best risk to reward. Don't get FOMO and just start doing anything, because that's how you're going to lose money. I can tell you guys that from experience. So today we really need to practice trading smart, trading safe, because there will be opportunity, but we just need to be patient for it. You know, we don't want to blow all our money before our real opportunity shows up, and then we're like, damn, I shoulda, woulda, coulda. Yeah, that doesn't work in trading, buddy. But anyways, that's pretty much it for me today. I'm just gonna be taking it slow. If I do trade anything, I'll come out with my video Um, if I don't, then I don't have anything to trade. I might still make a video simply talking about, knowing when not to trade. Um, but yeah, once again, I'm gonna start this small account challenge starting tomorrow. Starting with, what is it, $500. I put 500 in one of my other accounts on the Schwab account. I'm just waiting for it to clear so I can do a video on growing a small account from $500. But yeah, other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next stream in the next video. Peace.